Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your account information on Upwork. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then go to your profile, which is at the top right left corner, sorry, and then click on the settings. After that, click on the contact info, and then you can see your account information. And if you want to change them, click on that pencil icon, and then you can change your first name, last name, and email address. And after that, click on the update, and then you're all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.